So here we are, everybody. Apartment 217, our new home in Studio City, California. I'll give you a little mini tour, but if you want anything more, you're going to have to come and visit. We want to thank you all for following us from New York to LA and everywhere in between. We're so happy we made it, and we wanted to give some thanks to people that follow us before we let you all go.
Thanks to all our friends, thanks especially to our families for supporting us and supporting us in this move, and for being there for us in any way that we could possibly imagine.
And thank you for keeping us fed along the way.
That's right, your snacks and gift cards were really helpful. I also want to thank our friends Jeff and Kella for being so hospitable to us in Chicago and Denver, and for being good sports in our little storylines as we trekked across the country and tried to come up with something entertaining for everybody to watch.
We hope you liked it, and I want to thank Mike for doing all the driving.
Oh, and thanks Steve for not sleeping while I was doing any other driving.
Thank you so much, everyone. Like we said, if you want any more, come out and visit.
Leadfoot, Shoddy, out.